Here comes your pre-market summary for Thursday, May 25th. Futures catching quite a bit here this morning, coming off of an absolute monster report from NVDA after the close yesterday. They increased their forecast by 50%, more than was expected. Here's how the futures are shaping up right now. 2%, full 2% right now for NASDAQ, leading the way. The S&P 0.6 to the upside. You can see, the Dow lagging big time, 0.3 to the downside right now for Dow futures. TSX futures here in Toronto, negative 0.46. Bit of a pullback for crude this morning, 2% downside, putting some pressure on some of the energy names. Bitcoin, Ethereum also back into negative territory at this point so far today as well. A couple of things of note here on the economic front coming up. 8:30, U.S. initial jobless claims. We get a second estimate on Q2 GDP, so a heads up on that, and then a preliminary reading on PCE for Q2 as well. Again, the big reading coming up Friday morning as far as PCE is concerned. That's just a prelim number this morning. 9:50, mark that down as well. Fed's Barkin going to be coming through, making some comments. Overall, that's how the market's shaping up this morning, coming off 2 days in a row downside for both the S&P and the NASDAQ. Big gap to the upside here again, 2% for the NASDAQ currently on this absolute monster report for NVIDIA, lifting everything AI this morning as well. This was yesterday, so we're basically 305. This thing's trading at 390 up here this morning. Absolute monster gap for NVIDIA. So we'll talk you through everything you need to know as far as NVIDIA is concerned, and also AI-related chips catching a huge bid this morning as well. Snowflake, however, not so much. Downside in a big way. Pre-market coming off their Q1 loss, wider than expected. Forecast not good for Snowflake as well. Tesla on a bit of a run here this morning. Interesting note from Reuters this morning pointing to BYD over in China maybe fibbing their hybrid emission numbers a little bit for their top models. So a little bit of strength coming through for Tesla. As I mentioned, everything and anything AI related to the upside, including C3 AI, Google and Microsoft, all sharply higher here so far this morning. We'll talk UiPath as well. Q1 revenue, $289.6 million. Sounds like a big number, but trust me, it's not. Path downside in a big way. Grab the watch list, guys. QR code on screen right now. It's already out this morning. Comes right to your inbox for free. We'll see you at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.